Hello guys, so in this video we will learn about this history utility item, and it is by default on standard console apps. And if you do not find this history utility item on this utility bar, then you can watch this video. And in this video I have told how to add utility items in Salesforce Service Console app, and the process is same for any console app. So if you watch this video, then you can easily add any utility items here. So now let's continue with history utility item. So what is it? So it shows the history of recently visited records. So if I go here and if I click here, then we can see we do not have any items yet because I have not visited any item till now. Now if I click on any of these records, so I can see a record just appeared here. So I can copy the link of this record and share with anyone, and the person to which I share this link needed to be logged in into Salesforce. And if he does not have logged in into Salesforce, then the link will redirect him to login page before opening this record. Also, we can get up to 10 items here. So if I open another item, so let's open this case 1006. Now again, if we open this history utility item, then we can see this case here. Now let's open any subtab here. So now let's go on details and click on this account journey point. So now a subtab has opened here. Now all the subtabs will also come, and they will come here. So for tabs, the latest item will come on top, and for subtabs the latest item will come on bottom. So now if I open another subtab for the same case, so let's open this contact record. So again, if we click here, then we can see this contact record on bottom. So the order is now clear how the order is in history utility item. So this is it, and we can get up to 10 subtabs here and up to 10 items here we can get. Now suppose if you have this history utility item on sales console or any other console application, then the history of the records that you have visited there will be recorded on that history utility item that is on that console application. They will not be visible here. So both will be different. So the history of the items that I visit on this console application will only come here. So this is it for now, and we will meet in next video. Thank you guys for watching this video.